So today we're going to be solving for this problem. Let a, b, and c be real numbers such that a minus 7b plus 8c equals 4 and 8a plus 4b minus c equals 7. Then a squared minus b squared plus c squared equals, and these are the possible answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this part first. I'm going to move the B part to this side so that it's a binomial on each side. So I'm going to do A. So if I move negative 7B to both sides, to this side, then it'd be A plus 8C equals 4 plus 7B. And then for this one, it would be, I would move the B to this side again, so it would be 8A minus C equals 7 minus 4B. And looking at this, we know that the A, B, and C's are squared. So we're just going to square all, like both sides of these equations, both of them. And after I know that I have to square it, I'm just going to actually multiply them by each other. So A plus 8C times A plus 8C. And that by doing FOIL. So first, A squared outer plus 8AC inner plus 8AC and last plus 64C. And then we would get, we would simplify this, okay? So it'd be 8 squared. So since we can add these two, it's going to be 16AC plus 64C. And of course, we're going to do it in the order of degrees. So it's 2 and then so on. So we know, and then we have this, right? So I'm just going to underline that so it's better to see. Yeah. Okay, and then so, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, so this one is actually 64 squared. Yeah. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, and then so for this part, it's going to be 4 7b times 4 plus 7b. So first, 16, outer plus 28b, inner plus 28b, and last plus 49b squared. Hopefully you can see. Oh, you can't see that, sorry. Just gonna turn it. Okay, hope that's better. Simplifying this, we could get 16 plus 56b. Right? Yeah, 56b plus 49b squared. And again, this one is just the same thing as this, and this is just the same thing as this. So we also know that these two equations, just gonna make star on it so you can see that they're related. So those two equal each other. And now we're gonna do it for this one, which is 8a minus c times 8a minus c. Okay, so first, yeah, first, which is 64a squared. Okay, outer, negative 8ac, inner, negative 8ac, and last, which is c squared. And simplifying this, you would get 64a squared minus 16ac plus c squared. And that's equal to this. I'm gonna make a triangle so you can set, oh my god, that's a star. Triangle. And then these are stars because they equal each other. And then now we're gonna do it for this side, which is 7 minus 4b times 7 minus 4b, which first is 49 outer, negative 28b, inner, negative 28b, and last, which is positive 16b squared. And then we're going to simplify this, so it'd be 49 minus 56b plus 16b squared. Okay, and another triangle, because these are equal. Okay. So now we know that these are equal and this is equal. Right. So now I'm going to rewrite them so you can see it better. Hold on a second, I have to adjust the paper so you can see the work because there's not enough space. Right there. Okay. I'm going to rewrite this. So a squared, since this is equal to this, then I just write the a squared plus 16ac plus 64c squared is equal to this, which is this, 16 plus 56b plus 49b squared. Okay. Okay, yeah, and then so we're gonna add this and this equation, this equation, this equation, I rewrote it with this equation, which is same as this, together. So 64a squared minus 16ac plus c squared equals equals 49 minus 56b plus 16b squared. Okay. Now we're going to add these two equations together, and I will get 65a squared. And these two cancel out. And then add 65c squared equals 65, yeah, 65. These two cancel out, and then so we're left with this, and then this is also 65. 65b squared. Now, I'm gonna underline this, because this is the main concept here. So, I'm gonna simplify this equation by 60 and divide it by dividing it by 65. If I divide this equation by 65, I will get a squared plus c squared equals 1 plus b squared. If I subtract b squared from both sides, I will get a squared minus b squared plus c squared equals 1. And there you have it. The answer to this problem, so in the beginning, it was that you're trying to find what a squared minus b squared plus c squared equals. And from this work here, you can see that a squared plus a squared minus b squared plus c squared equals 1. And so the answer is B.